70 gigs is great because you don't have the oxygen attenuation. So we can go up to the 2 to 5 kilometers. But the FCC has some licensing. Now, it's lightly licensed. Now, what does that mean? So for a few $100s a year, you have to register the address that you're transmitting from and the address you're receiving from. What the FCC wants to make sure is that these 60 gigs, as I discussed in part 1 of the wireless presentation here, these 60, 70, and 80 gig radios, it's very short wavelength. They're very narrow beams. So you could have multiple transmitters and receivers on the same frequency, on the same rooftop, but just as long as they're several degrees apart from each other. If you were going from the same rooftop, between the same 2 rooftops, you could even just spread them out, put one on one corner, one on the other corner, and allow 2 beams. Or we have radios where within the 60 gig, 70 gig, and 80 gig band, we can pick different radio, slightly different frequencies. We can even do different polarizations to get isolation. So we have 70 gig uncompressed radios, but there's going to be a little bit of licensing, a little bit of coordination. And we can help you apply for those licensing. Just like 60, 70, zero latency, all the payload, metadata goes through, great for sports and live interviews.